Before anything else, this article is not telling you to not get car insurance. It will simply inform you of the possible drawbacks of auto insurance. Car owners should have sufficient information about auto insurance to prevent costly mistakes. The first thing you have to do to avoid major mistakes in auto insurance is to shop wisely. Mistake number 1: disregarding auto insurance. The rule is that car owners should obtain insurance for their vehicles. However, there are a few people who are ignorant of their legal obligation. State requirements for auto insurance are not that demanding, anyway. In fact, a lot of car owners buy insurance products whose coverage exceeds the minimum requirements. Insurance on your vehicle is determined by a number of factors like your age, gender, marital status, type of car, profession, and credit rating. These factors will determine the cost of your insurance, specifically the premiums that you will be paying. You will need an insurance agent to do the computation for you. Take note that this calculation is simply an estimate of what your premiums would most likely be. There are cases when the actual premiums turn out to be different from the quotes resulting from initial computations. Make sure you present the correct information to the agent when obtaining a quote. Mistake number 2: insufficient insurance coverage. Some car owners do not know what coverage to get. Some simply get the minimum coverage required in the state they live in, but the state minimum requirement is often insufficient to cover common damages to automobiles. For instance, liability coverage is what most states require, but this one only covers the liability you sustain after bumping into another person's car. In cases of collision, your car may sustain damages too. Collision coverage makes you eligible to receive reimbursement for repairs on your own car. Another type of coverage is called comprehensive coverage, which allows you to get reimbursement if your car is damaged by flood or fire, other than collision. Mistake number 3: not seeking professional advice. There is a reason insurers have agents. These professionals help you address your common misunderstandings and questions. Of course, there are different types of car insurance, and you most likely would be confused about what insurance product to obtain. An experienced agent can help you settle your mind on the matter. A trustworthy agent will definitely be able to help you in determining the appropriate coverage for you. Mistake number 4: not reading the details. Insurance products can look attractive on the website of the insurer, luring you to avail of the product right away, even if its cost is no longer economical for you. At times, failure to read the details of an insurance policy makes you vulnerable to disconcerting surprises at some point in the future. So, you must read the clauses and find out how much premium you would actually be paying, and how you would claim reimbursement. More importantly, read the limitations of the coverage so that you would know when you can and cannot demand for claims. Details for such limitations are stipulated in the terms and conditions of the auto insurance policy. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.